We just got in this 2013 Patriot Edition camper. Power tongue jack. It's 26 BH model. Jackknife couch. You get a little bed in the back. One air conditioner. Got your levels. This folds out into a bed. You got your bunks back here. Little TV. Thermostat. Your furnace, which runs off of propane. Got your gas electric refrigerator. And your junction box down below. And your propane detectors down there too. Tandem axle. Got a nice couple storage places on it. Aluminum sided. Check it out. Valves on the outside. Make them easy to replace and clean if they get funky. Let's put that a little straight. A little OCD going on. Varmint guard on the outside of your furnace is a great $3 investment to protect your furnace from getting filled with nests and what else. Water heater. There you have it. Come check it out.